I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. Here's a look at your forecast. A lot to discuss for you, so here we go. Basically, this system is a long-duration, multifaceted, complex system. It's not just we get snow dumped on done. It's going to be a mixed bag in central New York. The best chances of staying mainly or all snow, far northern portions of the state in our viewing area and far western parts of the state. In terms of our weather in Syracuse, figure maybe a little dim sun midday or late morning, but the storm snow will start up late in the afternoon, increase in intensity during the evening, and then snow goes to rain overnight. Look for a high of 38. So widespread storm snow starts late this afternoon, and as I just mentioned, the evening snow will change to rain from south to north across a good chunk of the area. And then we're kind of left in the kind of light rain, light snow kind of thing, at least for the first part of Wednesday. A secondary burst of storm snow will probably come our way Wednesday afternoon, and then probably seamlessly transition over to a spray of lake effect snow and flurries. So there's quite a bit of things going on here, so let's break it down into periods for you. There are a few leftover snow showers and flurries over the far southern tier this morning, but that's not the actual storm snow. It's actually down here in Pennsylvania, and there it comes late in the afternoon. Then you'll notice, watch the darker blues, that's some of the heavier snow right there in the evening, and then we change over to rain, southern tier first, central New York, eastern New York. Notice how the rain snow line is very close to central New York, which is why I was trying to say, the further north you go, Ogdensburg, Messina, Gouverneur, Abay, the further west you go, Penn Yan, Rochester, Buffalo, these areas will have less mixture, more snow, consequently heavier accumulations. Anytime you get this mixed thing, assuming that this doesn't change the rain snow line, you tend to get at least the initial part of the snow to melt off, and there's a lot lower accumulation. I do want to make mention that there's going to be some heavier rain across eastern New York and New England in case you're traveling that way tonight. Let's talk, we're going to break this into two periods. Just, you look out the window tomorrow morning at 7, what do you see? Well, there will likely be 1 to 3 inches of snow during the evening when it's snowing in central New York, 3 to 6 up north. But do you notice all this hatched green area right here? Because we're changing over to rain, that previous 1 to 3/3 to 6, some of that's going to melt. Now, whether it becomes kind of a sloppy, gloppy slush or completely melts off to bare ground will ultimately be determined by when the changeover occurs, how much snow you get prior to the changeover, and the exact air temperature. Now, my guess is that the further south and east you are over in here, the better the chance you go to bare ground. Now, Syracuse is going to be close. I would say there'll probably be some slop and glop. Further north, though, less mixture. Further west, less mixture, and that's why you're going to be waking up to 3 to 6, 6 to 10 early tomorrow morning. Then, Wednesday, first half of Wednesday, it's kind of a light rain, light snow mix. Here comes that secondary push right there. Do you see that? That's your secondary storm snow. Then, Wednesday night, it's lake effect snow on the back end, so it's kind of the part 3. We talked about what you do wake up Wednesday morning. What does it look like Thursday morning when you wake up? I'll step out of the way. Many central New Yorkers 3 to 6, and quite a few central New Yorkers will have 6 to 10 in the white. Look at all those white splotches you see. North Country, Western New York, some spots 10 to 18 inches. I'm meteorologist Peter Hall. We'll keep you posted.